Okay, happy travelers. Today, I must say that I'm in a shitty hotel near the Hanoi airport, and the ATMs have taken many of my cards, not dispensed money when possible. Chime has locked my account, leaving me with a grand total of $3 in my last account, which I have to pay to get my beer crate luggage wrapped up for the flight. So what we're going to do for lunch today is we're going to make pasta in a tea kettle in the hotel room where the TV doesn't work. And there's nothing else. And there's nothing else to do, and I don't have any money for food, so this is how it's done. Now, as you can see, I've broken this fine Balducci linguine into half. We're going to first plug this in. Yeah. Surprised if this thing even works. I see no indicator light saying that it's functioning. So we wait. All right, so the electric on that part of the hotel did not work one bit. So as you can see, I'm giving the hotel here a big shout out to Indochina Airport Hotel, where nothing fucking works. And I'm using their tea kettle to boil some pasta. For the fact that the TV didn't work, I talked them into giving me one beer Saigon. I've already had one Huda beer. I've already had one Hanoi beer. Starting to get a headache. Anyway, we're gonna let this boil and we'll come back when it's al dente. Yes, well, that is cooking along nicely, isn't it? I must say. We haven't reached the point of peak foamness, though. I think it may be coming. Here in Hanoi, Vietnam, we only have the finest of our cooking implements with us, so I'm going to stir it gently with this Phillips head screwdriver I bought at the market. Yeah. Well, it's not stiff anymore. And neither has it stuck to the bottom of the kettle, which I'm very enthused about. Look at that go. Lovely, lovely, lovely. It's like a snow globe with worms in it. I've just realized I have no utensils to eat this with. Oh, wait a minute. I'm so supremely proud of myself right now because I saved this little foldable fork. Ingenious. I've just sampled them. They're just shy of al dente, so I'm gonna cook them just about 20-30 more seconds. Let them sit for about 20 seconds, and then I'm just gonna strain off the water, put it in an empty cup of noodle soup cup that I have, use my disposable folding fork that I didn't dispose of, luckily. I'm gonna have a nice meal. Viva Italy. Viva Vietnam. Or La Vietnam. I was a little worried how I was going to strain it, but it really worked great. It has a built-in strainer here. Not one piece of pasta came out. So, rather than mix the sauce in there, I think I'm gonna put some noodles in this cup here, and then put the sauce in. All right, so let's add some sauce in. It's not the prettiest thing in the world, but hey, hotel room tea kettle pasta. I've not had pasta in like a month and a half, so this will be a real treat.